Water hunt, sports hunting game, animals, crustaceans, birds, and reptiles. Here we go. Glacier bear, moose, harlequin duck, timber wolf, roe deer, red fox, mallard duck, pheasant, snowman, fallow deer, gray wolf, lynx, red deer, European hare, wild boar, European bear, European bison, wolverine, mule deer, Canada geese, cougar, striped skunk, bighorn sheep, coyote, Chinese dragon, California condor, white-tailed deer, black bear, turkey. Wapiti stands for the elk, bison, grizzly bear, Arctic hare, Arctic fox, willow grouse, which stands for the ptarmigan, snow leopard, reindeer stands for the caribou, Siberian wolverine, Siberian tiger, Turkana wolf, polar bear, muskox, bearded seal, walrus, warthog, dik-dik, Ethiopian wolf, hammerkop, gravy zebra, Nile crocodile, flamingo, Reptiles griffon vulture, rhinoceros, African buffalo, hippopotamus, Australian magpie, dingo, hill wallaroo, emu, the great kangaroo, parenti, wild water buffalo, saltwater crocodile, gala, Australian water dragon, southern cassowary, Patagonian fox, guanaco, Magellaниc penguin, the maned wolf, blue and yellow macaw, red and green macaw, black caiman, toco toucan, South American tapir, leopardus, giant armadillo, jaguar, capybara, Tessiebe stands for the hard beast, the greater kudu, the rosy-faced lovebird, southern giraffe, leopard, African bush elephant, hyena, lion, African wild dog, gemsbok stands for the orids, the Red River hog, lemur, fossa, mallard duck, barl, chital, Bengal tiger, type 10 fox, bar-headed goose, the northern shoveler, the mainland sea roe, hog badger, rhesus macaque, Milan civet, the bearded pig, the coconut crab, the thunder-clouded leopard, rhinoceros hornbill, sun bear, Asian water monitor, binturong stands for the bear cat, and the small flying fox bat. Yeah, these are all the water hunt sports hunting game of all animals, crustaceans, birds, and reptiles. Yeah, this is it for this video. Yeah, I'm going to do more. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you should enjoy this video. Yeah, bye.